well-managed grasslands sequester more carbon than forests or any other ecosystem. So I think that's one way that we benefit society as a whole, is by sucking the carbon out of the atmosphere. I've seen data that shows how much carbon is put up in the air on a range fire, but then most of that data that I've seen says you suck more back out of it than you've put up in there when you did the fire originally. So I think that's probably the biggest benefit of a well-managed grassland. The contribution of livestock, ruminant livestock, cow, sheep, goats, whatever, to global carbon emissions and global methane emissions is not zero. So there is a contribution. It's fairly minimal. If you look at the pie charts, I've seen them, maybe it's like 2%. But we suck more than that back out of especially the carbon back out of the atmosphere. And the methane, what I've seen, the methane breaks down over a period of a few years, and it's really inconsequential. So it makes sense to me, because you need grazers on the grassland in order to maintain the health of that grassland. So it makes sense to me to have the livestock out there doing that work, and it's natural, right? So it's not something, we don't have to run a machine out there and mow it and use that fossil fuel. We can just get the cattle to do it, or the sheep or whatever, and it makes a lot of sense to me that's part of the natural system.